We are off on the first voyage with the RV to Knob Noster State Park, which is not very far, but we're pretty excited, and we got a really cute co-captain. Edna, how does it feel to go on your first camping trip? Are you excited? She doesn't know what to think, but she'll be happy when we get there. There's the real captain. What do you have to say?
Let's do this.
Let's do this! We're just starting to pull out, and there's Jimmy in the window. Poor boy. He's got the house to himself this weekend. Bye, Jimmy! He doesn't even care. Have to figure out where we're going. Our spot number is 21? 20. So we'll see how that goes. Finding that shouldn't be too hard. How you doing, Edna? We're almost there. Edna, sweetheart. She's like, what is he doing out there? He's checking in. He's just checking in. That's all. That's all. She does not like it when her dad leaves this vehicle, as you can see. He's coming back. Oh my goodness. Hey, Edna. You're fine, honey. Well, now you're stuck. There you go. There he is. There he is. Yeah? He's right there. Oh, honey, you're a little too heavy to be standing on me like that. He's coming back, I promise. She is having a heart attack. There he is. There he is.
You're in her head. Sorry, baby girl.
There, all is right in the world. Told you he'd come back. Are we all checked in?
Yep.
All right, off to our spot. We're here. All right, I'll be right back for you. Don't panic. Oh, we are pretty crooked, aren't we?
What?
I said we're pretty crooked, aren't we? I think you'll reach.
Yeah, we'll reach.
Perfect, and then we got some shade going on. Sweet.
Okay, we should be hooked up.
Look, it's got a cute little restroom. So we got a little table, little fire pit grill thing. You want some water? Let's get some water. Watch out. Ooh. Alright. Here you go, honey. Why don't you get a drink? Get a drink. There you go. Yum. Very pretty out here. And our other side. Not bad. He just put up our privacy cover. Let's get this party started, Edna. Let's get it started. Woohoo! choking herself on this collar, so we're gonna put her harness on. She just gets so excited. We just met a little girl who was 6, and she told us all about the tooth fairy that just came and gave her $5 for a tooth, and that she likes dogs, but her sister doesn't. She's pretty cute. She followed us around for a while. I forgot to show my shirt. My aunt got me this awesome shirt. I'll see if I can turn it around and show you. It says adventure is out there, but so are bugs. Good girl, Edna. There you go. That's not on right.
I mean, it's not right.
This is supposed to go through here.
Oh.
There you go. There we go. Much better. Now you won't choke yourself. We should check it out. See what it looks like. Whew, it does kind of stink, doesn't it?
Yeah.
P.U. What's it look like? What is he?
Yeah, we'll use the RV.
Oh. Yeah, I think I'll use my bathroom. It's nice that we're close though if we had to.
Okay, I have clearly taken the camera because Ellen is busy making our first meal in the RV.
We're getting fancy up in here.
And of course, just like home, we have Edna here waiting for a handout, which I'm sure that she will get some sort of cheese.
Gentle.
See, there you go.
Easy. Oh, right. Ah, nature. No distractions, nothing at all, just peaceful. What? Oh, what is that? Would that be a giant television that my husband brought?
And a PlayStation.
And a PlayStation. Well, you know, we can still see nature around it, sort of. So, thanks. And Edna's enjoying a bone. She's like, what? Yum. Alright, so I've heard that Doritos make a good kindling, so we're gonna test it out. Smells good. Okay, well, they are flammable. But will it light the logs? Who knows? Shh. Edna, honey. Stop it. She sounds vicious, but she's not. Come over here, honey. You should make a s'more for her, but without the chocolate. A doggy s'more.
Doggy s'more.
A doggy s'more. There we go. It's too dark, but he's so dirty. Oh my gosh. Edna, honey, what are we gonna do with you?
Make sure it's nice and toasty at the right for her.
Oh yeah, definitely.
She's a food connoisseur.
She's like, are you making that for me?
She's gonna make a mess with it. That's what she's gonna do.
Oh boy, Edna. That one's for you, honey. Your first s'more. This is the life. She'd like another, please. Well, we're winding down for the night, and we got our beds all made up nice. Josh sleeps there. I sleep there. Got the TV going. And then we got a little hot dog squeezed down here in between. Oh, she's so sweet. You're so sweet. She'll probably end up jumping up right there with me. But anyway, pretty cozy. So tomorrow we'll do some more exploring, walk down to the lake, and that's it for tonight. Good morning. It is about 8:30 in the morning, and everybody is still sleeping but us. We did not sleep that great, at least I didn't. Kept waking up. And this one decided she needed to hop up and sleep with me for a while, and then hop up and sleep with Josh for a while. But it's a nice morning, and we got some wholesome breakfast here. Very nutritious. So we're gonna get out and explore a little bit in a while. Well, it rained there for a minute, so that gave me a nice little chance for a nap. Catch up on some of my sleeping, but now it's time to explore. I think we're gonna walk down to the shower house just to see what that looks like, and then we'll head down to the water. Here's the shower house. I'm gonna check and make sure nobody's in there before we take a peek. But it looks pretty nice. The one down by the check-in station is a bigger building, so I don't know if it's newer or not. So this is what it looks like if anybody's ever curious on coming here. Little bench, a hand dryer. Here's the shower. And the bathroom. Let's keep going. They do have a little park over here if anyone has kids. That's kind of nice. Which is right by the entrance where you check in. And then right across from the playground is a little basketball court, if you're interested in that. Alright, so we're coming up on Lake Buteau, I believe is how you say it. Not really sure. And it has a little restroom area, a little shelter, and then that, I believe, is where you can check out kayaks. So that's cool. They just built this little station, so I've seen it on their Facebook page. Let's take a look. So that's what that looks like. There's a little picnic area. There we go. There's the kayak rentals. So that's a neat new thing. I think they've only had that about this year, I think, is when they started doing that. had some lunch, and now we are going to unplug and go dump our tank and head home because we have to check out at 2 p.m. and it's about 1:30. So, did you have fun, Josh?
Yes.
Me too. We're at the dump station. We've never done this before, so we'll see how it goes. Shouldn't be too difficult. How was your first poop experience? It smelled like death.
It was poopy.
It smelled horrible.
On the road again. I can't wait to be on the road again. You are always welcome in Missouri State Parks, as long as you have the cash to pay for the parking spot.
Which is actually reasonable. I don't know if I mentioned it, but it was only $29 to stay here. It's $8.50 to make the reservation, and then $21 to hook up to their electric. So, way better than a hotel,
And free dumping,
free dumping.
so your RV can take a poop.
Oh my gosh, I can't take him anywhere. Edna, are you comfortable? This is the way to travel, isn't it? Well, we're headed home, so that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. We will see you next time, and in the meantime, as always, we hope you go out and ablaze some trails of your own. Bye, guys.